monitor what's going on and continuously improving what you have. It's not about, hey, let's create a mobile website, let's launch it, and let's just leave it there. We've got to continually monitor and improve and figure out ways to change what we've built to match how our users are changing.
You know, Jagan, one thing I don't see on this list is persona development. So would that be something, I know it's an integral part of the UCD method and process for a full website build. Is that something you would even consider for a mobile site?
Yeah, so, no, for sure, yeah. So personas are something that you can build during the discovery phase here in our table. By using some of these different methods, you can develop personas as a product of all the data that you've found and all the findings that you've found to give you an archetype of your users, to understand all the different users you have, the scenarios, their needs, their goals, their behaviors. And what that persona does is it functions as a tool internally for you for everybody who's involved in the development of your product to understand who you're actually making this for. A lot of times, hey, we're creating something and we pass it on to the developers or we pass it on to a content writer, and they don't have that same idea of who your users are. By creating personas, you can definitely have that shared vision. And if you do have existing personas for a desktop website, those personas are valuable. But what we want to do is validate and improve or extend upon those existing personas so that we're really talking about the mobile space and focusing on the mobile space.
Okay, and we actually have another question from an audience member. You talked about personas, and they sound great, but how do you apply personas to the entire project? Is there an objective way to use these personas effectively? Good follow-up.
Yeah, so that's definitely a great question about personas.